welcome one more time. Today I bring you a little tutorial with North and South. I'm going to introduce you to two basic moves and a few variations so you can start your dancing. But I want to tell you that I have a full online dance course where I teach shuffling and stomping, and it takes you from beginner all the way to intermediate. Without further introduction, let's get with the tutorial. Now, the concept of North and South is a freestyle. Nobody can actually teach you, but you can definitely learn the basics so you start building your own style from basics. Our first movement is the easiest with the North and South, which you're simply sliding to the front and back, to the front and back. Make sure that you don't kick, make sure that you don't step. Right now, we're just gonna slide, 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 and slide. Super easy, right? I'm gonna do it from the front. This is all that you're gonna do right now. Just slide to the front, slide to the front, slide to the front, slide to the front. So as I slide, this leg is gonna do some involuntary movement. If your body tends to do that, do it. Otherwise, you can just leave your leg steady over here and just slide it to the front. Do not overcomplicate your life. So sliding to the front is your first move. Now from here, we're going to do a couple of variations. For example, sliding twice, which I call like a double. You're just sliding to the front. Again, this foot is doing something unconscious. I'm just stepping on my toes over here. And I'm just slide, 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 slide. Make sure your knees are flexible and ready to bend. Your knees should not be steady over here, super stiff. My knees are relaxed and ready to bend. Slide, 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 slide. And now over here, I can already dance just sliding to the front, rotating over myself to not get used to dancing on a straight line. And I'm already doing my first step. Now, our second move, which is a little bit more challenging, is the classic North and South, the most basic movement that we see all over the place, where you slide to the back. Okay, so you need to be able to slide to the front, but also to slide to the back. Sometimes you will be able to combine front and back, and that's where we want to get to. These toes point out, while this leg slides back. Most of my weight is on my heel. Do not step, otherwise you're going to lose your balance. You're going to slide. Your foot automatically is going to try to stay on your toes and do this. We want to avoid this. You're not doing Charleston, okay? It's not a Charleston, okay? So, I know it sounds a little bit complex at the beginning, but start super slow. Slide your leg out and step. Come back. Slide, step, come back. Come back. Come back. Do it super slowly. There's no rush. You can always retake this video on the course. I go a lot slower in a lot more details, but right now I'm trying to keep it quick. Once again, toes out, slide. Toes out, slide. Again, toes out, slide. I like starting maybe a little bit inwards, so I have time and space. Eventually with experience you don't need to do all of this, but for now let's start super slow. An exercise that I recommend to people also is going to help you whenever you're doing doubles is slide only to one side, again and again until you're getting used to it. Once again, all together, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. This also comes very handy once you're actually dancing and you want to go only one side and you want to do something cool. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and come back. Okay? Once again, only one side. We're going to go back, front, front. Notice how this knee is bending. Okay? Back, front, back, front, back, front. From the front, back, front, back, front, back, front. Change. Back, front, back, front, back, front. Change. Okay? And just play with this until your feet start obeying you. It's a little bit complex at the beginning, it's totally normal. So let's wrap it up in what we did today. We did it to the front, double to the front. We also did to the back, double to the back, And you can also mix them up from back. If you would like to take the course, I will go in depth within the course with a lot of different moves. I go all the way to stomping. The link for the course is on the description. Just make sure that you scroll down so you see all of the courses available. For now, let's try this with music. We're gonna start front only. Rotate over yourself so you don't get tired of only doing one line. Double. Super simple, nothing complex. Let's try to the back. Back, 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 back. Rotate over yourself. Now we're gonna try double to the back. Back, double. 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 Go back front. Let's try double to the front, double to the back, okay? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, back. Back. Again front. 1, 2, 1, 2, back. Back. Now, let's try double to the front, opposite leg, double to the back, okay? Let's mix it up. And it will go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Same thing, but now let's try it with single, okay? We're gonna go front, back, opposite leg, okay? Front, back. To the rhythm